I am Muhammad Ali Imran, Professor of Communication Systems at James Watt School of Engineering. I am Dean for University of Glasgow's collaboration with UESTC in China. I also have some other roles here at James Watt School of Engineering, like being Head of Research Division for Autonomous Systems and Connectivity, Head of Communication Sensing and Imaging Research Group, and Director for Center for Educational Development and Innovation. My research is in digital connectivity and finding new and more efficient ways of communicating from point A to point B. My ambition is that we create a future where everything is connected, not just people, but also items and things which need connectivity. This will really bring a big change in terms of how we do several things, like how we care for our health, how we manage our transport, how we manage our homes in terms of their heating and energy efficiency, and so on. So one interesting research project that I am overseeing is where a student is looking into how we can communicate over a link with very short latency. Latency is the delay that happens when you're communicating from point A to point B. One of my most memorable international research project is Energy Aware Radio Technologies. The project was acronymed as EARTH Project, Energy Aware Radio Technologies. And in the project, we developed a framework which allows us to calculate the energy bill that a mobile operator will have to pay in order to run a service or cover an area of the size of a country or size of a region like Europe. Energy bills that the mobile network operators pay is a major significant part of their running costs. So if you can identify how much energy they are consuming, you can then identify different methodologies and techniques which will reduce the energy consumption, which will make their systems more energy efficient. Whenever we are partnering with some other partner, especially if that partner comes internationally from some other country, then we are enriching that experience. Very simple example is that there is a significant difference in learning and teaching ethos in the West and as compared to in the East. In the West, we are trying to enable people to learn themselves. In the East, we are trying to teach them from an expert to a novice. We are trying to tell them exactly what to do. Now, there are benefits of both of these systems in different areas. Especially in engineering, there are certain areas of engineering where you have to enable a new learner to learn for themselves. And that will be a skill that they will take as an engineer and apply it in new situations and new scenarios. However, there are certain basic skills of an engineer that are better taught by rota learning or by enforcing them to practice again and again, just like learning a skill of dancing and singing. So with this partnership between University of Glasgow and UESTC, we have brought the best of both these teaching methodologies together. And our students are lucky to learn from a mix of these two well-established technologies. Very recently, we have decided to expand our partnership, and moving out of the Chengdu, we are now opening another campus in Hainan, jointly with UESTC and University of Glasgow. This Hainan campus will open up new opportunities. For example, this campus also hosts the free trade zone for a lot of industrial partners. This will provide our students an opportunity to work directly with industry. They will be able to do final year projects directly with the industry, as well as we will get more input and guidance from industrial partners about the nature of our program and the improvements needed in our program. You have to at least give it a try to come to Glasgow and immerse yourself into an English-speaking learning environment here at Glasgow. You will make new friends, you will learn from some new colleagues who have never flown into China to teach you. You will find new opportunities to do projects with other industrial partners which are local to Glasgow, and you will also enrich your experience with a lot of cultural and other opportunities here in the city of Glasgow. Scotland is famous for its natural beauty, and that actually attracted me to come here to Scotland as a visitor first. But when I visited Glasgow as a city, I really found it true to its actual description, which is people make Glasgow. So the people are very friendly. You will find it much easier to start a conversation with anyone on the road or street. And that really attracted me to come and make it my home.